Hello guys, this is a chef car Android system and Shania Align. Okay, we installed today 2020-21 original speedometer Nissan Patrol Y62. Look the view of this meter. It's very good, very good. It's a 2015 car. All function original is working. Light, signal, everything. Odometer, mileage, average, door sign, everything is working fine, same as original. Okay, we also install a rear view mirror, same as original. While you're driving, you can see the picture, you can see the view of rear with the temperature sensor. One time press, the camera is working. The other time press, the rear view mirror, you can see it. Android screen, okay, same as 2020. Everything is fine. Look the quality, look the installation, same as original. We also changed the double switch of this car. Look, that is a old one, is damaged. Install a new one, same as original. This one original. Thank you very much. Bye.